Okay, so now we're entering into the main house. Tervetuloa. Laaksonen. Heating stove for winter. Sink with running water. Windows.
If we had planned the trip a little bit differently, you could come here for a walk or a run on August 25th, 2007. That's 2007, this is 2000.
Excuse me, sir.
Not without a television, of course.
We brought Niles' television.
Bunk bed.
Sony.
The big one doesn't work.
Oh, the one that's there, the Sony, doesn't work?
Doesn't work. If you pound on it, the child can hear, you'll probably get it working. But you have to pound on it a certain way.
You have a TV that works better?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right next to it.
Let's see, so we are right here. All this is nothingness. Up the stairs we go. Small collection of movies. 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed, 4 bed. Phew. 5 bed.